Need to track bills you owe to your suppliers or vendors? While FreshBooks is invoicing focused, you can still properly record bills and their payments to keep your books complete. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Recording a bill is like creating an invoice in reverse. It represents money you owe, rather than money owed to you. First, go to the Expenses section and click Add an expense. But instead of categorizing it as a simple expense, you'll mark it as a bill. You can enter the vendor, amount, and due date. When it's time to pay the bill, you don't just delete it. You find the bill in your expenses list and mark it as paid, recording the payment method and date. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: use the billable checkbox wisely. If a vendor bill is for a client project, mark it as billable. This allows you to easily add it to your client's invoice later, ensuring you get reimbursed for project costs. Just like that, you're accurately tracking your accounts payable, giving you a true picture of your upcoming cash outflows. Do you track vendor bills diligently, or do they tend to pile up? Let me know down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.